Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl J So Tastic. If you don't know, my name is Judy and this is a channel J So Tastic. So what? I don't know, but we do a lot of sewing, DIY, and some things over here. Okay? Not always do I share the whole process. I might just share a reveal. That's how it goes sometimes. That's how it goes. Okay, I ain't perfect. I'm still learning. But welcome to the channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're not. So in this video, I am just doing a Sunday reset. I needed to clean up my space so that my mind can function. And I'm just sharing with you me cleaning up my space and just sharing with you some projects that I'm working on and things like that that I'll be working on for the rest of the week. And I'll try to record the process of those things, and then I will have that video up. And if you don't know, I upload every Monday. I may do a sneak. But anyway, let's get into this video so y'all can watch the reset. Okay, y'all, how is everybody doing? It is Sunday. Daylight savings. Oh my gosh, y'all. I think I got a little confused going on here. I thought I woke up later than normal, but actually it was earlier. So I'm a little confused, but I would like to say my baby gone, y'all. My baby gone. She had to go to sewing machine heaven. No, she didn't have to go to heaven, but she did go to the sewing machine shop because she needed to be repaired. Yep. I don't know what happened, but thank goodness, thank God that she is under warranty. So she gonna be gone for about like 3 weeks, maybe 4, so maybe a month. So I am going to be working with my heavy duty singer. Today I'm kind of like doing a reset, and what I want to share with you guys is that I took you with me from the beginning, but when I got to Chicago, yeah, she's all the way in Chicago, but when I got to Chicago, I didn't film because I had the sewing machine and all that stuff in my hand, and I was kind of nervous. So yeah, and so what I'm gonna do is when I go back to pick her up, then I'm gonna take y'all with me and show y'all the shop that she's at. She is at a Singer distribution store in Chicago on Irving Park. So some of you might be familiar with that, some of you may not be, and I'm still learning how to work this new DJI, all the gadgets and stuff that come with it, like the little mic and the little stand, the battery charger, the learning how to make sure that everything is on point and that y'all can see what's going on. So I'm gonna take y'all in here. My space is a mess today. Okay, so look, this is what I'm gonna be working on. I'm gonna be working on her. Like, my kids bought me the my daughter and her husband bought me the Quantum Stylist $99.60 for, let me see, was it for, I think it was for my birthday. It might have been Christmas or for my birthday. Either one of it. It was a holiday. It was some kind of holiday, because when it's my birthday, it's a holiday. So my kids, this is the first machine that my kids had brought me years ago, and then I decided to come back and, you know, start sewing again. I had put it away for quite some time because the bobbin or something wouldn't work right or something on it, but I kind of like fixed it. Say hi, Winston. Say hi to the peoples. Supervisors here, y'all. But yeah, I need to do kind of like a quick little reset. This is my room. Let me show y'all. It's a hot mess. So I got piles on top of piles of stuff that has to be done. This is a skirt that I'm working on. I'll show you the pattern. I'll put it up here. But I'm working on that skirt and I need to finish it because I don't like the length of it. This is what is this? All upcycle stuff here. This is everything that I've upcycled in this pile right here. This is my WIP pile. Or, you know, things that I need to finish or whatever have you. So it's a lot going on, y'all. It's a lot going on there. And then my friend Jeffrey, if y'all watched the last video, y'all, You gotta love him. You gotta love him. He bought all these jackets over here. These are just some wash clothes that I have in the middle. But he bought all these jackets over here for me to redo, and a couple of pair of jeans that he wants me to kind of like fashion out for him. There's a jacket that I'm working on for him as well. Eventually. Yeah, it's a hot mess in here, as y'all can see. My sewing room is a hot mess and I need to clean it up. So I need to do a little bit of reset, and I'm gonna set things up and take y'all with me. I still need to finish this jacket. I don't think my client liked the buttons that I picked, so I gotta go find some different buttons. So I'm gonna go search on Amazon for that. And yeah, that's the jacket. So yeah, I mean, you know, I like the buttons, but he didn't like the buttons. So yeah, he didn't like the buttons. So I understand. But then, yeah, let me turn y'all back around. Hold on. I'm learning how to work this thing. It should turn back around after 2. Let's see. Okay. Well, we'll do it that way. More jackets for me. I mean, it's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. It's a whole lot. So I am still working on this project. I'm pretty much finished with the top, the Vogue 1550, and yeah, it's a lot going on. And I have the pants, as you can see, the pants on my table. And I also have my DJI connected to my tablet. That way I can see what I'm filming. It kind of helps things out. Don't look at my mess pile down here. I need to reconstruct that. This is another mess over here. So yeah, things are a hot mess, y'all. So yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot going on. I hope I didn't just make y'all dizzy. But there's some fabric over there that I'm gonna cut for the skirt. I think I'm gonna add some ruffles to it. Let me see what else. Y'all know I did fabric weights this week. Let me see what else I gotta do. I don't know. I'm gonna put y'all down though and clean up a little bit and put things in order and put some things away and go from there. So y'all just hang on in there with me. And yeah, so I'll share what I can. You know, it is. I need to let some light up in here. Some more light. Don't y'all look at my fabric pile. I'm starting to hoard stuff. I got fabric on top of fabric on top of fabric. So, oh yeah. Let some light in. So let's start here. Okay, y'all. So that's my Sunday reset, and I'll see y'all on Monday. And yeah, I'll share what progress I have made on my projects. So, with that said, Jay so tastic. So what? No, no, what? We doing it all over here. Pray for my baby that they can fix her and I can get her back before 3 weeks is up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you enjoyed reset videos, where you get your life together and you do all the things. Because this video I know was pretty much all over the place. I did a lot of things, yeah. But we gonna keep it moving, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for stopping by, Jay Sotastics. Ciao.